Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake cream at home. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients, which include 1 pint of very cold heavy cream, about 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Remember, keeping your cream and equipment chilled is crucial for achieving that perfect, fluffy texture. A cold bowl and whisk make all the difference. Now, let's get to whipping. Pour your very cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Start your mixer on a low speed to prevent any splattering. After about 30 seconds, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. You will notice the cream beginning to thicken. Keep whipping until you see soft peaks, then continue for another minute or two until stiff peaks hold their shape. Once your cream reaches soft peaks, it's time to add the flavor. Gently fold in your 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Taste the cream and add a little more sugar if you prefer it sweeter. You can also introduce other flavors, such as 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder or a few tablespoons of fruit puree for a delightful variation. Mix until just combined. To keep your homemade cake cream fresh, transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it immediately. It will stay delicious for about 2 to 3 days. While it can be stored, for the absolute best texture and flavor, we recommend using your cream within a few hours of making it. This ensures maximum fluffiness and a delightful experience for your cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.